Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make tomato sauce. If you'd like to support this channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need an onion, 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red cooking wine, a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of dried oregano, a teaspoon of dried basil, a teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, a half teaspoon of dried parsley, a quarter teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and 2 28-ounce cans of crushed or whole tomatoes. We'll start by peeling and dicing our onion. Then we'll heat our oil on a stovetop in a large pot over medium heat and saute our onion until translucent, about 4 minutes. Then we'll add our garlic and cook until fragrant, about another minute, before adding in our 2 cans of tomatoes with their juices. If using whole tomatoes, we'll crush them with a potato masher. Then add in our 2 tablespoons of red cooking wine, tablespoon of sugar, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of dried oregano, teaspoon of basil, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of parsley, and quarter teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. We'll let this come to a boil before reducing heat to medium-low and allowing our sauce to simmer, stirring occasionally until thickened and most of the liquid has evaporated, about 2 hours. We can use this sauce to top pasta or use it in another recipe. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.